In this video, we're going to go over how to access your Google Business Profile review link and QR code, and how to do it on laptop and desktop. For the mobile version, the link will be in the description. Okay, so I'm going to open up a new tab. First thing you want to do is just make sure you're logged into the right email right here. Next, what you want to do is search the business name. My son is giving me permission to use his business. Right here, you're going to see at the top. So you're going to know whether or not you're logged into the correct email because it's going to say your business on Google. If for some reason you don't see this, jump over to the top right of your screen, select that, and either log in or select a different email that is associated with your Google Business Profile. Okay, I'm going to click Ask for Reviews. There it is, right there. So once I click this copy icon, it's copied to my clipboard. So I can open up an email, I can open up a notepad, and I can paste that. Alternatively, I can go right here and right click on this, save as, and then, save it, give it a name, QR code, and then click save. And I have mine being saved in my downloads. And so it's easy to go and access and grab later. Okay, that was it. Stay tuned for the next Google Business Profile tip.